Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley. I know I haven't done a video in 2 weeks or so, and everything like that. I have been extremely busy trying to get my life back together, trying to get my life back on track, trying to rebuild my happiness, trying to rebuild my life, etc., etc. But today I thought I would do a makeup tutorial. Last year I did because it's getting close to the holidays and getting close to Yule/Christmas, whatever you want to call it, whatever holiday you celebrate. Last year I did the simple and elegant makeup tutorial, which if you want to go see that, the link will be in the description if I decide to put a link. So this is going to be a little bit of an updated version of that video. So, yeah. And everything like that, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so because I do have side bangs, I'm gonna use some a clip to try and clip my bangs back. I'm kind of doubting this will work, but we shall see. I mean, at least it'll do. That's all I can say. At least it'll do for now. For now, anyway. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and do foundation. I am using the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade 210N. Little goes a long way. I unfortunately don't have a makeup brush. I mean a foundation brush. I have plenty of makeup brushes. I just don't have any foundation brushes. But I'm gonna try my best and try to get as maximum coverage as I possibly can. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit of the same foundation onto my lid. Again, little goes a long way, and I'm going to be taking a flat head brush this time. Take whatever's left from that eye and just kind of use it as concealer. Okay, so we are going to be taking, trying to find the right brush here first of all. Okay, so we're going to be taking an eye crease brush. This one is from e.l.f. And we are going to be taking the Rare Beauty Confident Energy palette. And first we are going to be taking this shade, I think is called Devote. I think that's what this shade is. It's called Devote, and we're going to be placing that on our crease. I'm sorry, you guys, my head is killing me right now, so I'm trying to do my best to hurry up and make this video as best as I can. Without stopping. Taking the same brush, we are going to be placing the shade Strong. Wait. Let's see. Yeah, Strong. I think. Yeah. Strong, I think. I think that's what the shade is called. I wish that, like, there were shades at the bottom, like, and stuff. But I think that's what the shade is called. Basically, we're going to take a shimmery gold color and place it on the lid. I like how pretty these colors are and how amazing the pigment is. Okay, now we are going to be taking eyeliner. I'm going to be taking the Starlit Studio eyeliner. I think this is the Moon. This is in the shade Black, I guess. We're just going to be using the liner part. And very, with the steady hand, it's messed up, but I'm not the best experienced with eyeliner at the moment. Alright, so for the cheeks we are going to be using the Milk Makeup Cheek Stain in the shade Work. I guess this is kind of, I mean, I guess you wouldn't consider this simple, but simple enough. Now for the highlighter, we are going to be taking the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizing Luminizer, yeah, in the shade Enlightened. And again, with this, a little goes a long way. I'm even going to put a little bit on my nose. I don't know why I even call this a simple yet. I guess it's because, I guess you can consider it simple. I don't know. Simple, fancy, whatever you want to call it. I call it simple because it's, I don't know. I just call it simple because I only use 2 colors. The last thing I'm going to be taking, makeup-wise anyway, is the matte liquid lipstick from Rare Beauty in the shade Transform. And I am going to quickly just take the excess off. Set all that with the setting spray. I'm using the Hard Candy Glow Sheer Envy Setting Spray. actually kind of like this. Don't ask me why. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I know I haven't been, again, I'm sorry I haven't been on YouTube in quite some time. But I'm hoping as 2021 rolls around and everything like that, I'll start making more videos and I'll be active, at least try to be active, and everything like that. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support throughout this year and of course the past years and everything like that. So I love you guys and I'll talk to you guys later.